Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the customer website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in customer.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official customer website. Now from the homepage, you can click on request demo if you don't already have an account. Or you can also click on the login button at the top right corner if you already have an account and wish to sign in. You will then be taken into your sign in page. Go ahead and type in your organization name and then you can click on the continue button. You will then be taken into the sign in page where you can enter your password. Just type in your account password and click on the login button, and now you will be logged in to your account on Customer. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log in to your account on the Customer website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.